Attention span, right? Number one, attention span. You might get their attention for 1 minute, but after 1 minute, they're off, right? They're running, they're playing tag. So the most important thing is that you want to keep them interested in what it is that you're trying to relay, the message you're trying to relay to them, right? So that they pick it up. Another thing you want them to do is that you want them to know that this is serious business, that what you're trying to give them is going to give them the ability to be successful, right? In order to be successful, you need to pay attention. So what I like to do in practice is I like to let them know that it's okay to have fun. It's okay to play around, but there has to be a time that we get down to business. And time to get down to business is when gloves go into a pile. That's my time that I say, as soon as those gloves go into a pile, it's time for business. So if I could have all the coaches that came today with a glove, put your glove in a pile. Another thing, it's hard with kids to get them moving quickly, so I like to give them seconds. You got 10 seconds to put your glove in a pile. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As a team, you belong to me. Your gloves are in a pile. Until these gloves are not here anymore, we break down, you belong to me. Right now, I need you as a team to run to that wall and back. Everybody